It's currently 4:27 p.m. in the afternoon. And did you know that if you just have a phone and 30 minutes a day, you can make money online trading? Come I show you how. The biggest problem beginner traders face when it comes to trading is understanding the tools. For example, there is so much construction going on right here. So if you are just given all these tools and you are told, take that car, take that stone, take everything, build me a house, your mind will be so overwhelmed, you will not know where to start. So I am going to show you how you will build your own house in trading from the beginning. Follow along as I show Edu, who is filming this video, how to open a broker account up to when you take your first trade. The way you'll make money online using your phone is through an app called MetaTrader 5. And most people use it like a game. MetaTrader 5 is a very professional app that if you know how to use it, 30 minutes a day, I guarantee you are going to be making money consistently. So how do you use this app? MT5 essential basic knowledge you need to know. Number one is quotes. Quotes means pairs, which means what you are trading. And you pick one thing. I will show you how to do that in the screen recording. Be patient. Chart. Chart means analysis, which means setups. In basic terms, it means look for patterns that repeat themselves. I will show you live how we look for these patterns. Be patient. Number three is trade, which means lot size, stop loss, take profit. Lot size means what you are risking. Stop loss means the specific dollar amount or pip amount you are risking. Take profit means what you are targeting, which means your emotions are in check because you already know your risk. History means you are able to see the trades that you took. And since you have been doing the wrong things, you are afraid of looking at your history because it means tears all the time. So I will show you how to turn those tears into joy. This is Edu. Say hi.
Hi guys.
He is a complete beginner and he is going to log in into his account to open a trading account so that he trades with me today. So follow along with him and open a trading account. If you don't have a trading account, there's a link in the description. Go create it and then follow along with him.
Now, for the people who don't have an HFM account, you'll just come here to a Chrome browser, then search HFM. Then under HFM here, where it's written CFD broker official partner of Arsenal, then you'll have to log into your client area. If you click like that, it will bring you somewhere like this. If you don't have an account, you'll have to register. So you'll click here, register. Then it will bring you to this place. Then you'll have to fill county residence, email or phone number, password. Since I already have an account with this one, I cannot create another account or I cannot register with this same email. So you'll have to fill all this, then you click continue, then you follow the steps that will be shown to you there. So since I have an account already, I'll just have to log in. So when it comes to log, then you'll have to open a live account. You just come here and click a live account. Then there's this option of opening a live account. You just click open live account. Clicking that, you'll have to choose premium. After choosing premium, you'll come here. Then platform will be MT5. Your currency will be US dollars. Leverage will be 1 to 400. Then you'll just put your nickname here. Let's say Edward Meter. Then your password here, you'll just put your password here. Then after putting your password, you just come here and open account. You'll see here, you've been told that you have opened a new trading account, MT5, this. Then trading account, this one, HM server, live 2, MT5, then set premium. That is how you open a live account. Let me show you how you connect it with MT5. First thing first, after installing MT5 on your phone, you come and open MT5. Then after opening MT5, you come to the top left corner where it's written trade. Up here on the 3 lines, click. Then you come to manage account. Click on this plus at the top right corner. You click this plus. Then Then you come and search for your broker. You come here and write HFM or any broker that you're using. Then you click HFM Investment Limited. Then make sure your server is on HFM Markets KE Live 2 here. Then put your logins. The logins are the details that are on your live account and the password that you used. So you put your logins there, then you put your password here, then you just click login, just like that. And the pair that is showing right now is US 100 on the top left corner up here, and the time frame is 5 minutes, which is M5. Then M1 shows 1 minute. To the quotes, this is where you choose the pair that you want to trade. In order to add the pair you want to trade, you have to click the top right corner, this plus, then you find the symbol you want to trade, let's say US 30. Since we'll be trading US 30, you choose US 30. You just click there, US 30, it will be added automatically. As you can see here already you have US 30. Then if you want to see the charts of this US 30, you click this US 30, then chart. Then this is how the US 30 chart looks like. So this is how MT5 looks like. Now here we were trading live with our mentor, as you can see on the left side, and we were waiting for the market open. As soon as the market opened, I tried to take the trade, but it denied because I did not have enough money. I only had $10 in my account which I had deposited, but it was not enough. I tried changing the lot size, but it still could not take a trade. It denied me, so I missed the trade. But let me show you something interesting. Now, to be part of us and trade with us live, you have to join the community, and the easiest way to join the community is head over to YouTube and search for KAMAU FX. You'll see this YouTube channel. Then under one video in the description part, you'll see join the community. That's where you'll join the community. You just click the link and it will take you direct to joining the community. If you missed trade number 1, don't worry. Trade number 2 is on the way. Go ahead and check out We Master Trade on Discord. Where to trade. Where to trade. A channel called Where to Trade. Go and check out We Master Trade there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, I'm in. I have taken a buy there. If you did not take that buy, when the candle turns blue, buy. We have just finished trading. This is US 30. We have taken a sell. It hit 3 targets. And then on the upside, we also took this buy that has been hit on stop loss. So that means we are up 2R. But unfortunately, I lost money today because I was trying to take a screenshot so that I could show you guys. So make sure you take profits instead of screenshots. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.